Hi guys, so this is the second part of cleaning out my closet slash home, and this time I'm tackling cosmetics and shoes. This is the last video on cleaning out session, so bear with me. On the top shelf I got hair dryer, then I got skincare products like serums and creams, then I got my cleansing products like micellar water and scrubs. Here on this shelf I'm keeping makeup and few hair products, and on the lower shelf I got the products that I'm not using every day. And here in the hallway I have several places where I'm keeping masks and additional cosmetic products that I'm not using that often. Basically, I'm checking the date of expiry and whether I enjoyed the product or not. And it was very easy and smooth process. It was not too bad. As you can see, I didn't have a huge pile to deal with. So the whole cleaning out session really helped me not only to get rid of the stuff that I was not using any longer, but also it helped me to understand what do I have to add to my cosmetics and skincare products. And I noticed that I have to buy a few more of the brushes. I'm also missing a good foundation in my collection. Of course, when I collected all my brushes into one place, I saw that I need to wash them and I need to do this more often. Here I'm using only coconut oil. It washes the brushes perfectly and I love that it's natural. And so as you notice, I do not have many brushes. I stick to main ones, and yes, I am missing several brushes in my collection and I need to upgrade this section for sure. Okay, so now let's move on to cosmetics from the hallway. And now it is time to go through my shoe collection. Chop chop! Let's go and do it! Pile of shoes is going to find new home. It's not that much actually that I'm getting rid of, just because I find that, I don't know, if shoes are in a good quality, I tend to keep them because, I don't know, I like having shoes, okay? So I'm giving away around 10 pair of shoes, which is quite a decent amount to get rid of. And I'm gonna pack the shoes and then I'll show you. This is a huge pile that we're gonna donate apparently, and there is this Red Cross bin where you can just leave the stuff, and it is not so far away from our apartment, so we're gonna bring everything including shoes. This is the next day, and yesterday we brought everything what I wanted to donate, all these bags of clothing and shoes, to the Red Cross. And that is it. Now I have this empty and clean space around me. I have one box of clothing that I want to pass on to my family members, and also several pieces I want to sell. I have packed my clothes and I got one box left for myself, so I'm definitely in need to do some shopping. And as I mentioned, I will be creating my capsule wardrobe, and I already started to buy some of the bits, but I will do separate video on that. Now I wanted to show you why KonMari method is good, not only in order to clean out your closet, but also to tackle all the parts of your home. So I did the same in the kitchen. I haven't been filming that part. So, and I wanted to show you a very good example how it helped me to realize that probably my boyfriend was telling me the truth, that I have some problem with collecting decorative pillows. So let me just show you how many pillows we got in this 2-bedroom apartment. So here I have 2 pillows. Okay, not too bad. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pillows. I brought them all together to one room, and I saw how many of them we really have. Now let's go and check what I'm left with. So empty, 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 and the closet. Ta-dam, ta-dam, ta-dam. So it's almost empty. I got several pieces for my capsule, and I have a luggage here, which is the last luggage, because you guys, I want to tell you that we are moving out from this apartment. We packed all the stuff several days ago, and it is in another location. And since we are changing not only the apartment in Denmark, but we are moving out from Denmark, it is quite a big change in our lives for us, and I feel that it's gonna be awesome. I just feel it's gonna be awesome. I've been a little bit frustrated and freaking out probably 1 month ago. But now I feel very confident and happy, and I feel that this is a necessary step for us to keep growing and to keep doing what we really want to do in our lives. So bear with me. I will try to do my best, I will do my best to post regularly. If you like these videos about my experiences and these more of vlog type videos, let me know in the comments below, because it is really important to me to hear your opinion and whether you are enjoying watching these videos, because I kind of like making these videos and I want to share more of my perspective and my personal experience with you guys. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and let's see what the future brings. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. Goodbye.